Guys, can you show me how this conveyor belt works?
The belt? Let me come around.
Yeah, I think those guys placed an order or something. Let's see. Man, I'm getting a lot of comments here on my sushi video.
You say you want to see how it works?
Yeah. Those guys ordered something, just waiting for something to come out of it.
Oh, that one might be a little while.
How long until that works?
You guys plan on dining in?
We already are.
You already done?
Already done eating.
Oh. Because it might be a while until they send it.
All right. Yeah?
I know, I was trying to show them how it works, but we have to wait for items.
Oh, look. They're already placing something on.
It's amazing.
Here it comes.
It's amazing.
Look how it goes.
You're gonna come back. I'll come back next week. Come on, see this one.
It's amazing.
See what all happened.
It's been a while since we've seen this. I've always wanted something to come out of those bowl machines. Huh, they have fries. Good. Yeah. Wow. Now that's one awesome fountain.
Thank you.
Coming.
We'll be back.
Anyways, I hope you enjoyed our 5-part special on how the sushi thing works. I promise we'll come back and I'll show you guys more about this soon. Good night, guys. Until then, why don't you enjoy this fountain for a while? Amazing, isn't it? I love it.